Hey everyone, Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's quick fix video is a SharePoint video talking about auto-filling columns. So if your library relies on metadata but nobody wants to type it, this is for you. It makes organization automatic. Let me show you how. If your team is using metadata in SharePoint, awesome. We can take it up a notch and you can actually have an autofill column inside of your metadata that will look at the file and it will pull the information out of it. So right here I have a document column. So if I click on the drop down and go to column settings, I can go to edit. When I'm in edit, there is now this autofill button that I can choose to set up. And so there is a prompt that you will fill in to have it read the specific file that you have submitted. So I'm going to put this prompt in here, extract the document type and provide it in short form, capitalized, if not found, return not found, result type string, choose from, and then it's giving me this choosing here. So I'm going to actually have it test this IR522 because it has not pulled that data yet. So I'm going to test and see what it pulls up. Great, that is an incident report. I click save, and now there's a little Copilot emblem next to this document type. And it takes a minute or two for it to pull that information, so don't expect to see it right away. It took a little bit of time, but finally the IR came in as the document type report. So any files added to this library will follow that autofill column and it will pull from the choices that we had listed for it. Now your file stays searchable and organized without any extra effort from your team. This is how you make SharePoint easier to use. Remember, small changes, quick fixes, big wins.